Today, our group want to do presentation. We want to present about snake plant propagation cutting technique. We have 5 members, which is Nurul Nazatul Hafinas, Nur Ain, Nurul Kairina, Nur Rasida, Muhammad Afiq Zafran. Let's start.
First slide is introduction. The snake plant, also known as Sansevieria or mother-in-law top, is one of the most popular indoor plants. It is noted for its low maintenance and ability to populate indoor air by remove toxins like formaldehyde. It also produces oxygen at night, making it an excellent choice for bedroom. The study focused on propagating the snake plant through the cutting technique. By cutting healthy leaf into smaller sections, we can grow new plant for extra cutting. This is important because propagation is an affordable and easy way for anyone to grow more plants. Indoor plant like the snake plant that improve the environment in our home. Next is objective. The first objective is to propagate snake plant using the cutting technique. Second, to observe the root elongation and overall plant growth over the course of several weeks. And last, to identify the ideal growing condition that supports successful propagation of the snake plant.
Next part is material and method. In materials, firstly, a healthy snake plant for leaf cuttings. We need to choose wisely in order to get a healthy snake plant. Next one, scissor or a knife for cutting the leaves. Third one, well-draining potting soil and to avoid waterlogging, because if we did not have a proper well draining, it will cause the plant to flooding. Next, containers, pots for soil for us to put the snake plant. And the last one, bright indirect sunlight to ensure good growth, because we all know that plants need sunlight to do a food process to gain more growth. Next one, the step is, first one, cut a healthy leaf from the snake plant into around 3 to 4 inches per pieces, and allow the cut edges to dry around 1 to 2 days. It helps the cut, or also known as callus, and prevents rot. Plant the pieces in soil with the right end down, or place them in water. There are 2 options for us to choose. Label each container to track the progress. We can take a picture so we know the process of each snake plant. And the last one, keep the containers in bright, indirect sunlight and water occasionally to prevent them from dying. That's all. Thank you.
So we proceed to procedure. Step 1 is we need to select a healthy mature leaf from a snake plant that is firm, thick and free from damage, disease or pest. A well-established, undamaged leaf is more likely to grow strong roots. And second step is we need to cut the leaf. We use a clean, sharp knife or a scissor to cut the leaf as close to the base of the plant as possible. And then we divide the leaf into sections about 3 to 4 inches long. Mark the bottom end, which is the part closest to the base of the plant, to ensure proper orientation during the planting. Next. And then we go to step 3, which is putting some hormone. This is the hormone. And after the cut, it need to put some hormone, which is this, which is Radex hormone, to let the snake plant can grow faster. And step 4, which is we plant the leaf in soil. We prepare pots or trays with well-draining soil, cactus soil or a mix containing sand or perlite works best for preventing water logging. And then we plant the cuttings vertically, inserting the bottom end 1 to 2 inches into the soil, and we ensure they are upright and stable. And after that, lightly water the soil until it is slightly moist but not wet. And after that, overwatering at this stage can cause rot.
Step 5. Care and observation. Position the pots and jar must be in a place that receives bright and direct sunlight. Second, check the moisture level in the soil regularly to ensure it stays slightly moist. For water propagation, observe the root growth directly through the container. When root reach 1 to 2 inches, the cutting is ready for transplantation to soil.
The next slide is data. The first week have root elongation. It is tiny roots but start to appear. No visible elongation yet. For root growth, have 0 cm. No significant growth observed. For growing condition, for location, bright indirect sunlight. Soil moisturizer, slightly moist but not wet. Temperature, maintenance at 20 until 25 Celsius. For second week, have root elongation is root growth begins, small white roots visible. For root growth, small week 1, soil watered lightly once during this week. For growing condition is 0.2 cm until 0.5 cm. Next. In week 3, for root elongation, roots become longer and stronger with multiple branches. For root growth, continue regular watering and light exposure. No significant change. For growing condition is 1.0 cm until 1.5 cm. Next slide. For week 4, root elongation is roots show steady growth and a small shoot may begin to emerge. For root growth, growing environment remains stable. Soil continues to be moist but not. For growing condition, it's 2.0 cm until 3.0 cm. For discussion, have 5 points. It is to document and share the process and result of snake plant propagation using the cutting method. Next is to identify and analyze the challenges and success factors in both water and soil propagation methods. Next is to provide practical guidance for successful snake plant propagation at home. To demonstrate that despite some challenges, the cutting method is an effective low-cost propagation technique. The last point is to emphasize the importance of proper environmental conditions, water, light, air in successful plant propagation.
Last one is conclusion. The first one is to demonstrate the viability of the cutting method as an effective propagation technique. Second, to document and compare the effectiveness of water versus soil propagation methods. Third, to identify and share critical factors for successful snake plant propagation. Next one, to provide evidence that this method is suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners. And last but not least, to show that despite challenges, the method remains reliable and cost-effective. That's all. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.